F-35s have flown more than a dozen missions over Iraq and Syria, hunting down the remnants of the group known as Islamic State. But as yet, they haven't fired or dropped any weapons in anger.
A certain state wanted to protect its, let's say, it's one of its borders, and it placed surface-to-air missiles along that border so that they all overlapped each other. With this aircraft, because of the stealth qualities, you were able to find your way through without being seen.
Everything is continually under review. This deployment, for example, is part of one that was pre-planned. Although we've moved more assets in, it's not in response to what Iran has been doing. But clearly we are positioned in the area, and we will take action if we think that is the most appropriate course.
After a gap of 8 years since we last did it, no, there's a lot of emotion coursing through the veins at the moment, but all of it is phenomenally positive.
The combination of the ship and the aircraft, the potency of this is something that is way beyond the individual services. This is something the country can be proud of and everyone in the armed forces can be proud of. You know, this is, today we've got a sense of what the future holds with this fantastic carrier strike capability.
We've had this aircraft carrier at sea now only 15 months in the building zone, so we've come on an awful long way in a very short space of time. And so the focus now is operationalising the ship and her air wing, both rotary helicopters and also now the lightning fixed wing force.
Como encargado la presidencia de la República Bolivariana de Venezuela Venezuela, juro cumplir con los deberes del presidente encargado y buscar solución a la crisis para vivir con dignidad, prosperidad y recuperar la